Hello students, welcome to IEEE Express demo session. In this session we are going to see how to predict the diabetes using machine learning. Okay, here we are going to take diabetes dataset. This is the dataset we are going to take. So what are the parameters we are going to take means we are going to take number of pregnancy, glucose level, blood pressure level, skin thickness, blood insulin level, body mass index, then diabetes pedigree function, then age. Depends upon that we are taking some patient data and we have to mention that whether what are the things belongs to diabetes, what are the things not belongs to diabetes. So we are taking some reference data set here. So based on the data set we are going to predict diabetes function. Okay, for that we are going to write Jupyter notebook coding. Here we are considering Python for the machine learning. So what are the things it means? We are going to using pandas. We are going to read the data set. Then we are going to mention the what are the things we are measuring. Everything I'm getting here. So we are going to calculate the standard deviation function and mean, average, and everything we are going to take. So this is the count. How many things belongs to positive? What are things belongs to negative? That means diabetic. So this is the correlation function for each and every parameters. Preferences, glucose, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin, BMI, then age. We are going to calculate the correlation function. Then this is the scattering plot for each and every parameters. Then this is the pair plot. Pair plot means the comparison between the two parameters. Okay, training and test. Then this is final confusion matrix. Okay. By using this, we evaluated the things. The final accuracy for this project was 98%. Okay. So what we are going to do means we are going to save the trained model, trained PKL file. Okay. Then we are going to design some website for user for checking the diabetes value, whether diabetes are there or not, like that. So we are going to run that project. I'm just changing my directory value. Then I'm going to run the project. So it's generated my web app link, localhost link. This is my home page, diabetes prediction home page. Here, already I mentioned accuracy for this project was 98%. We are considering 3000 plus patient data. Three algorithms we are using. Okay, we trained that model using three different algorithms. Then we are considering multiple parameters for the prediction of diabetes. So the object for the project, I'm going to log in. So the default I'm using the admin as my user ID and password. So then for training purpose, I'm going to upload my data set. So I'm going to upload diabetes data set. So I have uploaded my data set. This is my data set. Pregnancy, glucose, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin, BMI, diabetes function, age, and outcome. So this is the data set I'm uploaded. Then I'm using training. So training finished. Then I'm going to check for the outcomes. So number of pregnancy. For example, I'm giving 0 pregnancies. Glucose level 80. Blood pressure 80. Skin thickness I'm giving 20. Insulin level I'm giving 90. Body mass index I'm giving 24. Diabetes function I'm giving 0.40. Age 25. So I'm going to predict this patient having diabetes or not. So the result, prediction, you don't have diabetes. This is the output. So I'm going to check for the another patient. Number of pregnancies 4, glucose level 160, blood pressure level 160, skin thickness I'm giving 40, insulin level I'm giving same 150, body mass index I'm giving 35, diabetes function I'm giving 2.0, age for this person 49. I'm going to check. So the result was prediction, you are having diabetes. So I'm going to check for the another person. Number of pregnancies 2, glucose level 90, blood pressure level 120, skin thickness 30, insulin level 120, body mass index 30, diabetes function 1.0, age for the person 40. So I'm going to predict. So you don't have diabetes. So how it will comparing the data means, already I mentioned, it will compare those data with this correlation functions. Okay, trained correlation function. It will compare with this. Based on that value, it will show whether you're having diabetes or not. Okay, this is our problem. Then I have plotted some analysis functions also for you. So this is the analysis we are getting. Diabetes. The data set we are uploaded now. In the data set, 61% or nearly 62% belongs to normal persons. 40%, around 40% belongs to diabetes persons. This is the accuracy plot. As I already mentioned, we are getting nearly 98% accuracy. Okay. So diabetes prediction using machine learning. If you want to get that project means, please contact IEEEexpert.com. Thank you.